I am happy. I am happy. I am sad today. I am sad today. I am cold. I am cold. I am hungry. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. I am tired now. I am tired now. I am busy at work. I am busy at work. I am good at English. I am good at English. I am bad at math. I am bad at math. I am old. I am old. I am strong. I am strong. I am weak today. I am weak today. I am calm. I am calm. I am nervous. I am nervous. I am relaxed. I am relaxed. I am excited. I am excited. I am bored. I am bored. I am friendly. I am friendly. I am quiet. I am quiet. I am loud. I am loud. I am clean. I am clean. I am dirty. I am dirty. Thank you for spending time with me today. Like and subscribe my channel.